In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you by far the easiest way to transfer large videos and photos from your PC to iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Simply head to your Google Chrome. I assume y'all have the Google Chrome application on your computer. In the search bar, type in Google Drive. You will then click onto this option of download. So guys, you will just have to click on Download Drive for desktop. I already downloaded and installed my Google Drive. Now, once everything is done, simply head to your File Explorer. You will then click on this PC. The Google Drive folder will appear right here just like mine. Now head to it, and the next thing is to create a folder. Simply right-click and select on New, then Folder. A folder will get created successfully. I already created mine right here. Now, I assume you already have the Google Drive application on your iPhone. Simply choose any video or photo. On this video, right-click and select on Show More Options. Click on Copy. Get to the Google Drive folder. Head to the newly created folder. Right-click to paste in the video you copied. If you head to the drive on your iPhone, the transferred video or photo will show up right away. No matter how large a video would be, this transfer method makes it easy and convenient. That's how easy it is to transfer files, videos, and photos from PC to iPhone. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.